Hey everyone, welcome back to Joe's Bistro. Now, you've probably seen dozens of Monte Cristo sandwich recipes out there, but have you ever tried one made with fresh sourdough bread and baked to perfection in the oven? It's extra crispy, amazingly sweet and savory, and way easier to make. Let me show you how it's done. To bring this classic recipe to life, you'll need 4 thick slices of artisan sourdough bread, enough for 2 epic sandwiches. For our custard dip, grab 2 eggs, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, and a 170 gram can of heavy cream. And for the filling, bring out your favorite ham and melting cheese. First, let's prepare the egg mixture. In a shallow bowl, whisk together 2 eggs with 170 grams of heavy cream until fully combined. Next, add 2 teaspoons of nutmeg to give it that signature warm aromatic flavor. Keep whisking until smooth, then set it aside. Now, let's get our sourdough slices ready for assembly. Now let's spread those sourdough slices. I'm using butter today for a rich, delicious base. But if you want to keep it traditional with mayonnaise and yellow mustard, go right ahead, dude. It's your sandwich. Make it your way. Time for the layers. First, add a generous serving of ham, followed by your favorite cheeses. Today, I'm experimenting with cheddar and a soft provolone style cheese. Ideally, you want something with a structure that melts nicely. Some chefs prefer a firm cheese that stays intact, but for me, that ultra gooey melted cheese pull is what makes a Monte Cristo truly legendary. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cheeses. Find what works for you. Once your sandwich is fully assembled, give it a gentle press with something heavy. I'm using a second wooden cutting board here. Pressing it down helps the layers bond together, making sure the sandwich stays neat and firm when we soak it in our egg mixture. Now soak the entire sandwich. First, dip the edges to lock in the filling, then submerge both flat sides. Place it on a baking sheet and pop it into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes until the crust turns golden and beautifully crisp. Fun fact, the Monte Cristo actually originated in American cuisine as a twist on the famous French Croque-Monsieur. I just took this bad boy out of the oven, and it smells unreal. To wrap it up, I'm dusting the top with powdered sugar and adding a drizzle of warm maple syrup. Some people prefer raspberry jam, and like I said, it's your sandwich. Make it how you like it. Slice it right down the middle, and that's it. Time to plate this masterpiece. Look at this beauty! The cheddar melted so completely that I actually had to trim the edges to make it look pretty for presentation. Absolutely insane! Thank you so much for watching. If you love this recipe, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below, letting me know which sandwich I should tackle next. And hey, check out my epic hot dog video right here. It's in a league of its own. Ciao!